Pests like rats, mice, and many insects invade indoors through the smallest cracks and crevices in search of food, water, and shelter. Use Sealator Pro Black Foam to create airtight seals to block these intruders from entering any residential or commercial property. Sealator Pro is a high-performance, durable sealant spray foam formulated to perform even in low-temperature conditions. This foam has low curing pressure and moderate post-expansion. This foam will adhere to wood, concrete, stone, plaster, metal, PVC, and polystyrene. In order to apply Sealator Pro Black Foam, you'll need to install the canister onto a pro-grade foam applicator gun. We recommend the Solutions Polyurethane Foam Gun. In order to clean any accidental leaks or spills, as well as properly maintain your foam gun, you'll need an appropriate spray foam gun cleaner. Before applying any foam, ensure the treatment area is clean and clear. Brush away any dust and loose particles and wipe away grease from the surfaces to be treated. To install Sealator Pro onto your foam gun, remove the lid, hold the gun upside down, and quickly screw the canister onto the foam gun's adapter. Speed is key to avoiding any leakage. If leaking occurs, immediately clean the gun's exterior with the cleaner. Once the foam canister is connected, hold the gun upright and shake it up and down roughly 20 times. Loosen the gun's control knob and begin to apply foam by squeezing the trigger. You can adjust the amount of foam applied by adjusting the control knob further and the amount of pressure you use to squeeze the trigger. Allow the foam time to expand and cure. Once you've completed your application, apply cleaner to the gun's tip and wipe dry. Sealator Pro may be used for pest prevention on residential and commercial properties. Use it to seal thin cracks and crevices like joints and penetrations, window and door frame installations, and thermal and acoustic insulation. Pests may invade indoors at any time during the year when conditions outdoors are less conducive to their survival. Your peak pest activity may depend on the local climate and your geographical location. The recommended temperature of the canister at application is 41 degrees Fahrenheit, though it is most optimal at 68 degrees Fahrenheit. The canister should be warmed with water or air if working in cooler temperatures. Sealator Pro is safe and harmless when used according to label directions. Always wear the proper personal protective equipment or PPE when handling this product. This includes a long sleeve shirt, long pants, protective eyewear, a facial covering, gloves, and shoes. If uncured foam makes contact with the skin, immediately rinse with cold water and soap. The Sealator Pro Black Foam canister may stay attached to the foam gun for up to 2 weeks. For longer storage, remove the canister from the gun, apply cleaner, wipe dry, and reattach the lid. Be sure to clean out the foam gun properly with the cleaner to ensure its use. Cured foam must be removed by hand while wearing gloves or with a utility knife.
Solutions Pest and Lawn is a small, family-owned business that relies on people like you to succeed. Our goal is to help you treat your pest problem. If you have any questions after watching this video, please email, call, or stop by one of our stores and we can help you out.